Hey, welcome back to your channel. Hope y'all doing well. And today, I'm gonna be showing you how to install a CT sensor. Right here, basically the thing that measures your coolant temperature. And yeah, what going on with this truck, the fan will just pop and straight on. Then when I turn it off, it'll continue to be on. And I went to the mechanic shop and they did like a scan and they said my CT sensor is bad. So hopefully this right here be straightforward. And the tools you're gonna need for the job is a 19 millimeters deep socket with an extension because the sensor's down there. And you're gonna need a 20, no not 20, what I'm talking about, a 10 millimeter socket for the battery because you can see already disconnected. You don't wanna get popped or anything like that. And you need the sensor itself. Okay, so first thing you wanna do is locate the sensor. The sensor is right there, this right here. Yeah, this right here with the two bolts right there. Where my finger at? That's your thermostat. And right next to it, like right next to it, it's right there. That is your sensor. That pretty much what you're gonna be changing out. Okay, so once your CT sensor is unplugged, you gotta unplug it. And by the way, that was actually pretty easy. Usually it's such a headache to get these things, I believe in that. At least for me it is. Might not be for you. But right there, as you can see, the white right there, that's what you're gonna be unscrewing off. For me to unscrew that sensor, I'm using this right here. You're gonna need a pretty long extension and you're gonna need that 19 deep socket. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, as you're doing this, when you unscrew it, it is pressure in the lines and it is gonna, like, I guess you say, coolant basically gonna pop out at you. So, that's supposed to happen. Unless, I let this right here sit for overnight. And which, by the way, I can't believe I'm forgetting this. You wanna make sure you do this on a cold engine. Like, you wanna make sure, like, this truck been sitting 24 hours. So, cause that stuff will burn. And yeah, so, definitely be careful doing it. Cause you don't want that fluid, like I said, when you unscrew that fluid is gonna pop up. And you don't want to get in your eyes and your clothes if you got anything you don't want to mess up. So just be aware. So right now I already unloosened it, and I'm just gonna do it with my hands so that way I'll be able to catch it. Hands a little too big to be honest, but okay. And yeah, that right there is what we is working with. As you can see, it doesn't look too good. So hopefully this right here is the problem. And yeah, I did not have any pressure. I did not have any coolant that came out actually because I guess, like I said, I let it sit for 24 hours. So, make sure you definitely want to do it when it's hot. But yeah, that's how it looks. So it looks bad. So hopefully that's the problem. Okay, and this right here is the new sensor. As you can see, can you tell? As you can see, it definitely looks, this right here definitely look a lot better. And a lot of people do is they get tape, like what they call it, Kevlar tape, something like that, and they wrap it around there. And I heard that right there can interfere with it actually reading. As you can see, you got that blue already around there, to make sure it's sealed. So I'm not gonna put none on there because I believe that right there will actually keep it from, working. So okay, so what's going on with my car, I see that gauge right there. It just be right at 160. It won't even go up, even to like where it's supposed to be at. So hopefully, good Lord's willing, everything is in place. Got the battery hooked back up, got it connected. And yeah. Okay, like right now, see the fan not even on. But soon when I turn the truck on, the fan just would go straight into, turning it on. Cause the sensor was just so bad. So even if I didn't even put it in there right, the fan will be on. So I believe everything is okay. I pray to God everything okay. I pray to God that even you watch the video, I hope you don't have any truck problems or anything like that. But if you like the video, like, subscribe. I do a lot of four-wheeler content. This right here is just something I thought I'd share. Cause if you got a four-wheeler, you probably got a truck to tow it around. Hopefully when it gets this summer, we'll do some good riding this year. And yeah, y'all stay safe and y'all take it easy.